Why you should use LinkedIn ads for your business. LinkedIn is a social networking site like no other because people in there already knew what they were after when they signed up, to advance their careers. So advertising to these people becomes much less tricky than it would be to advertise to people on other social media platforms such as Facebook, where targeting can get vague at some point and you can lose a little track of where your intended market is going. Awesome benefits. Let's start by mentioning something awesome that has taken our awesome benefits top spot. LinkedIn fills a very specific niche, which gives you a very specific audience to work with. That, along with a plethora of other factors, are what make LinkedIn ads a great fit for your business. Here we have summarized a list with the ones more likely to compel you. Very big and highly targeted audience. LinkedIn ads will give you access to a very big and highly targeted audience. Currently, there are over 300 million active users all over the world, and over 100 million of those people are active users in the United States alone. Unique targeting opportunities. LinkedIn ads will grant you unique targeting opportunities because you can target people based on their job titles. This is because, unlike more traditional social media platforms, LinkedIn is built around allowing its users to input more information around their professional backgrounds. This means that you can target people based not only by their job titles, but also by data such as their field of work and industry, the name of the company where they work, their skills, and the LinkedIn groups where they participate. Besides the usual demographic data such as location, gender, age bracket, and interests. Business-centric interactions. LinkedIn ads perform in a platform built around business-centric interactions, so business-to-business advertising looks completely natural and does not feel intrusive to people precisely because, like we said, it is first and foremost a professional networking tool. You will be marketing straight to the decision makers. By advertising on LinkedIn, you will be marketing straight to the decision makers. This is especially good if you are promoting a product targeted at enterprising clients. If you promote this type of product on social media like Facebook or on search engines through display campaigns, it will be more difficult to reach those business professionals that you're after. Global diversification opportunities. Global diversification opportunities are also a great benefit of marketing with LinkedIn ads. You can end up with a juicy business opportunity from anywhere in the world because many global companies have their own presence on LinkedIn, and just like you, they also want to reach the most people and diversify to different markets. You pay for how you want your ad to perform. LinkedIn ads will allow you to pay for how you want your ad to perform. You can pay per click, which means that you will only pay for every time that someone clicks on one of your ads, or you can pay per impressions, which means that you will pay only for every time someone sees your ad, whether they interact with it or not. This is great news for you and your budget. Shocking facts. Here are some interesting and shocking facts about LinkedIn and LinkedIn ads that will make you want to jump aboard now. 80% of business-to-business marketers say that they want to increase their use of LinkedIn ads after trying them. In fact, 45% of those marketers have also said that Facebook ads are ineffective in comparison. Currently, 8 in 10 business-to-business marketers use LinkedIn as their platform of choice for product launches and LinkedIn ads as a way for promoting them. A whopping 87% of LinkedIn users, which is by any means a significant majority of active users, have stated that they completely trust what is served on the platform, including product-related info and advertising. The use of images in ads can increase the likelihood of LinkedIn users connecting on your promoted content by 98%. And if you add a video on said content, the likelihood of those same users sharing it increases by 75%. LinkedIn ads are ideal for promoting a business because, believe it or not, 45% of LinkedIn members hold upper management positions in their companies, which means that LinkedIn ads will generate more leads for your business than ads on Facebook or any other social media would. There are 2 new LinkedIn accounts being created every second, which leads to 1 million new LinkedIn users every 12 days on average. These numbers should give you a good idea of how big and specific is the audience that you'll be targeting there. The overall percentage of male to female users is almost equal, with an audience that is 56% male and 44% female. This number is good to have in mind as studies show that ads targeted at women tend to cost a bit more than those targeted at men. 50% of the global traffic to LinkedIn is from mobile devices, which means that dynamic and responsive ads will work better. After the United States, the countries with the most LinkedIn memberships are India, Brazil, the United Kingdom, and Canada. So depending on what you want to promote, outsourcing jobs, for example, you might like to consider those locations as potential job markets. 41% of the world's millionaires use LinkedIn, which means that LinkedIn ads have an outreach that will get you closer to the 1% with real chances of ending up with a hot business opportunity in your hands. 13% of LinkedIn users do not have a Facebook account, which means that LinkedIn ads are the only way to get to those otherwise hard-to-get leads. LinkedIn ads are great for promoting a new business because half of LinkedIn members are more likely to buy from a given company if they regularly engage with them on the platform.